Good night, everybody. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Margaret Pujulestari Saragi with student ID 2023311176. Here I would like to explain my SQL practicum segment. First, we start by navigating to the C directory using this command prompt is change directory. Then we go to directory cd exampp/mysql/bin. After entering exampp/mysql/bin, we run to command mysql menu root. Next, we create a database name is db_rumah sakit, and then import the data into command prompt with syntax is mysql menu root min_p db rumah sakit /db_rumahsakit.sql. Before starting, we make sure to use the database db_rumahsakit. Okay, let's see the instruction from question. Okay, question number 2 is add doctor data to the doctor table using the appropriate insert query. The query we use to insert to add doctor data to table doctor is insert into doctor ID dokter, nama, spesialisasi with values D009 Dr. Surya Wibowo, Psikiatri. To see the output is with the query select from doctor. The next question is add new visit data to the kunjung tabel. The query we use is insert into kunjung with ID kunjung, ID pasien, ID dokter, ID poli, tanggal kunjungan, keluhan with values K009, P003, D009, PL002, 2025 April 28, sulit tidur dan cemas berlebih. To see the output, we use select from kunjung. And the next question number 4 is display the list of patient name and birth date for female patient with P who were born before the years 1990. The query we use is select nama, tanggal lahir from tabel pasien, where if condition jenis kelamin P and year tanggal lahir less than 1990. The output is Rina Kartika and Lia Nurhayati. The next question is question number 5. Display doctor name and the number of visits they have handled, but only for doctor who have handled more than one visit. Use the alias jumlah kunjungan. The query we use is select D nama as nama dokter, count K.id kunjungan as jumlah kunjungan from tabel dokter D, join kunjungan K on DID dokter sama dengan K.id dokter group by .id _dokter the nama having count K.id _kunjungan less than 1. And the output is empty, which means there are no patients who have never made any visit. The next question is question number 6. Display patient name, complaints, and doctor name for visit that occurred between 2025 April 23 and 2025 April 27. The query we use is select PS nama as nama pasien, K.keluhan, D.nama as nama dokter, from tabel kunjung K, join patient PS on K.id _patient, PS.id _patient, join dokter D on K.id _dokter, D.id _dokter, where if condition K, tanggal kunjungan between 2025 April 23 and 2025 April 27. And we can see the output after we enter the query. The question number 7. The next question is display the poly names and the number of patients visiting each poly. Sort the result from highest to lowest. Use the alias is jumlah pasien. The query we use is select p.nama poly count distinct k.id pasien as jumlah pasien from the tabel poly. Join from tabel kunjung k on p.id poly k.id_poly. Group by p.id_poly. Order by jumlah pasien descending. Descending because we sort the result from highest to lowest. And here the output. The next question is display all medicine given for complaint that contain the phrase sakit kepala or headache. So we're gonna show the medicine of sakit kepala. The query we use is select R nama obat from tabel resep. Join from tabel kunjung k on r.id kunjung k.id kunjungan where condition k.keluhan like sakit kepala, and then this is the output. The next question is delete prescription data given for visit before 2025 April 22. Is the query we use is delete from resep where ID kunjungan in, select ID kunjungan from tabel kunjung where condition tanggal kunjung less than 2025 April 2022. The next question is display patient names who have never made any visit. The query we use is select from tabel patient where condition ID patient not in, select distinct ID patient from kunjung. And the output is empty because all the patients are visited. The next question is display doctor specialization that do not contain the word gigi or dental and kulit or skin. The query we use is select distant spesialisasi from tabel dokter where spesialisasi not like gigi and spesialisasi not like kulit. And this is the output. The next question is update the poly name Polygizi Clinic to Polynutrisi. And the query we use is update poly, set nama poly sama dengan Polynutrisi where condition nama poly sama dengan Polygizi Clinic. And this is the output. And the last question is display medicine names and their use frequency dosage that contain the word sehari or per day more than once. Use the like operator and the alias frequency. The query we use is select nama obat dosis as frequency from resep where dosis like sehari, and this is the output. Thank you and goodbye.